So what are the current trends in terms of sustainability, fuel efficiency, etc., solar? We've seen a lot of yachts that have lithium batteries that have caught fire. So what's happening with that right now in the market?
Design in yachting is always evolution rather than revolution. There's a lot of work that's going into sustainability, into fuel economy, and looking at other fuels that can be used, whether it's HVO, or they've been looking at hydrogen, they're looking at methanol. So there's a lot of work going in behind the scenes to actually determine the future of propulsion, as well as the fuels that are actually going to power that propulsion.